Boatman flies are not talked about much, and most guides hardly mention them. But today we can watch a rare movement mating. The male approaches the female carefully. Their tiny bodies move slowly and their wings make a roaring motion like someone in a small boat. That's why they are called Boatman flies. Every movement is important. They stay balanced and connected to make sure the process is successful. This quiet and small behavior might seem simple, but it is very important for their species. Even though no one usually notices them, boatman flies play a role in their habitats, living near ponds and streams. It shows that every tiny creature in nature has a story full of careful movements and fascinating behavior.